We are explaining the connections used to measure the VSWR or port S parameters for the antennas being used. Right now we've connected a dipole antenna at the goniometer mount. We are trying to measure the forward power being applied at the dipole port. We have connected a dual directional coupler here. We have connected the source at the input port. We have connected the receiver at the coupled port. We have connected a 50 ohm termination at the isolated port or the coupled port, and at the output port we have connected the dipole antenna. At the receiver end we are measuring the power as minus 57 dBm. So this minus 57 dBm is the forward power. We need to reverse the coupler in order to measure the reverse power. We will reverse the coupler. We will just reverse the output and input ports. The receiver will always remain connected to the coupled port. So as you can see, we are reversing the source here. And now the device under test, which in this case is a dipole, is connected at the input port. The receiver is measuring the power minus 63 dBm. So 6 dB is the return loss or the S parameter VSWR of this particular dipole. You can replace the dipole with different antennas like patch or Yagi under test, and you can change the frequency of the antenna in order to find out the resonant frequency of the antenna. So the VSWR may be lower at different frequencies for different antennas. We're using longer lengths of the cable in this case, which is why the forward power measurement has been done and the power has reduced, taking into account the losses for the cable at 1500 MHz.